This is how you change the tube on a MethaMeasure cabinet. Before you start this process, please prime out any liquid that you have in the tube. Open the door on the right hand side of the cabinet and then open the top door using the same keys. To the right hand side of the motor, you'll see the lever. Move the lever over to the left hand side until the motor opens up. Detach the tube by pulling it upwards off the white connector. Pull the tube towards you until it comes out the motor, and then pull it through from the right hand side. Detach the black weight from the end of the tube and put that to one side for now. Your new tube will come in a bag like this one here. Take the tube out the bag and then put the black weight onto one of the ends of the new tube. Feed the new piece of tube through from the right hand side hole. Push the tube into the clamps at each side of the motor and then back onto the white connector. If the tube is slightly kinked, pull it from the right hand side. You can now move the lever from the left back over to the right. At this point, please give us a call on 0800 027 0671 as the support team will need to reset the service volume. Thank you.